Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram account private. First of all, let's launch the Instagram app. Very important, you want to click lower right corner where is your profile picture. You click on it, then you end up on this section. You go on the top right corner where you see the three lines. Then you want to click on settings and privacy. You want to scroll down and you want to find section that it says account privacy. Who can see your content? This is a brand new feature. You want to make sure that you update your Instagram app. And this is very important because previously, for you to be able to make your account private, you should switch from business to personal account. Look at this. Account privacy. This is where you're going to click. My account currently is public, but if I want to make my account private, so as you can see over here, I can actually change my account into private. You also want to see that more information is provided that you want to make sure that you're aware of. When your account is public, your profile, your post can be seen by anyone. This means that if you really want to hide something from someone, making your account private might actually help you. On and off Instagram, even if they don't have the Instagram account, meaning that people without Instagram account can still see your content, meaning that if you want to block them, you cannot block them because they simply don't have account. So the only way for you to hide your content, to hide your account, is for you to make your account private. There are upsides and there are downsides with this. Also, Instagram is mentioning that when your account is private, only your followers who you approve personally. Again, doesn't mean that if you have 1,000 followers, everyone will have the same access to your content and to your page. You have to approve only the people who you want to allow to see your content, to see what you share, including your photos, your videos, the hashtags, the location pages, and followers and following list. This is very important because, like I mentioned, with this current update, you will be able much better filtering who wants to see and who simply keeping in the friends list but not allowing them to see your content. So you want to make sure that you know exactly what you want to achieve. So you want to make sure that you know exactly what you want to achieve, who you try to protect your account from, making it private, and who you still want to share information, hashtag, and contact with. Subscribe and follow for more.